Hey there, today I have a list of vacation outfit ideas for you to pack in your carry-on bags the next time you travel this summer. This massive outfit list of ideas is for your style, whether you go to the beach or the lake. For travel outfits, I like to be casual during the day, especially if I'm going to the beach. Some of you have a different vacation style than me, and that is what makes the world thrive. My hope in this video is that you get a list of ideas to make your packing list for vacation outfits. If you're flying to a beach destination, you'll be able to make that packing list and fit them all in your carry-on bags. And if you're just taking a road trip, you are going to be fine packing these in your weekender tote or your carry-on suitcase. Let me know in the comments below if you do still pack in a carry-on suitcase. I do if I'm going on a road trip because I know how to pack in that, and it's easier to take everything up to my hotel room. All of the summer styles that go into a travel wardrobe can be different for every person and for every activity, including the weather where your destination is. I'm going to give you a list of outfit ideas for your vacation that you can shop in your closet or buy something new again after you've checked the weather to know what type of shoes and what type of clothes you need to wear. I'm a Houston pilot wife, and I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. Click the bell beside subscribe and you'll never miss one of my free travel tips videos. Okay, here's my massive list of vacation outfit ideas for you. The first thing to consider is the fabric tie-dye. Tie-dye usually comes in 3 colors, and that means it can be worn more than once on vacation. And for a travel outfit, you can wear it with denim capris, navy blue, even white. The solid makes the colors really pop in the tie-dye. This is an old one from Eddie Bauer, and that's an old one. But I did find a dress that is tie-dye from Chico's that is so cute and comfortable. It's like a sweatshirt that's super, super thin, but it does not have a lot of stretch to it. So I suggest sizing up if you do get that one. Floral shorts are some of my favorite items because they can be mixed and matched with solid t-shirts and graphic t-shirts. Floral shorts can look dressy with the nicer top, or they can look super casual and be worn with tennis shoes even. Loft and J. Jill has some really cute small floral patterns, and I like the small floral because it is a timeless piece for your travel wardrobe that does not age you and does not age as the years go by. You can keep wearing them. A light gray solid t-shirt is a great piece that can mix and match with floral, with solid, with stripes. Graphic t-shirts are some of my favorite shirts to wear because they have a theme to them. If I'm going to the beach, I'm going to be taking this shirt. And I have a video about all of my vacation themed or travel themed shirts. This was a great one for vacay. This newest one that I'm wearing is so bright and happy. I love it. And just think of all the colors of bottom pieces that this shirt could be worn in on a vacation. I like it because it is not one of those slim fit t-shirts that everybody's making now, and it does have some give to it. But a graphic t-shirt, any t-shirt, you've got to master tucking your shirt halfway in. It just pulls an outfit together even if you don't have a belt. A skirt can be worn on vacation as long as you've checked your weather. They can be worn with flip-flops, with sneakers, and even nicer sandals, and just a good solid t-shirt that you've worn once before during your vacation. This skirt is from Loft from 2021, and all of their skirts come to my knee, and I am 5'8" tall. I recently bought some blush colored sandals because my old ones that have quite a wedge to them that came unglued, but I'm gonna get them fixed, I think. But blush colored shoes are a neutral color that will go with many outfit pieces. If you buy it right, they can look dressier and just as casual during the day. If you do need some shoes with more support, I suggest Merrell sandals. They're a little less dressy looking, but I wore these all summer last year in Montana over gravel. They are great, and they have good arch support too. You know, I suggest not wearing a skirt on the airplane. Just take it to your destination, and I feel the same way about a maxi dress or a midi dress. Midi dresses are everywhere in 2021, and they're so cute and versatile for travel and vacation outfits. Do not wear them on the airplane. I have an old video that is chock full of reasons why with all these outfits that I'll link below for you. This dress looks fine on its own with some really pretty flip-flops or some of those studded clear sandals that are out now still. And then you can also wear it with a blue jean jacket. If you have a striped dress or a striped shirt wearing this jacket, the button-up jacket that's really popular now, the military style with stars on it. That is a great piece that's not super heavy to pack in your carry-on bags. This is a cheap one from Amazon that I found. Stripes are great for a vacation outfit because they can mix and match with some patterns and different solid bottom pieces from your travel wardrobe. I'm gonna get this coral one versus this white and black one, but I love the baseball tee. I think it helps it stay modern for your outfit. One shirt to pack for vacation is a solid black t-shirt. You can dress it up with pearls and a denim jacket. It can be worn with any type of shorts, denim, white, really classic color for travel. I like to pack a solid blue shirt as well because I can wear it with floral and stripes and solid pieces. A swing dress is easy to pack because it's so lightweight and thin. They call them swing because there are no seams across your waist. It just swings when you walk. Some of them are a little more clingy than others, so be careful. This is an old one from Loft and it's a little short, so I think I'm gonna wear it as a swim cover up. J. Jill has a couple of solid ones that I will also link for you. Some people like to just wear solid because it can mix and match with whatever shoes they have packed. And remember my travel tip, do not pack more than 2 pairs of shoes. In the summer, maybe you could pack that 3rd pair of flip-flops, really thin ones that are gonna fit in the handles of your suitcase, but that would be your only 3rd pair of shoes, plus the ones you wear on the airplane. Okay, if you are confident and comfortable wearing a strapless dress, Amazon has a ton for you to try. There's one in palm print that I just love, this leaf pattern. For summer especially. I did find this one and I'm just a sucker for fun patterns, and it's just a tank top and you can wear it with a regular bra, and it does not come down too low in the back. It's fully lined, it's cotton, and it hangs just right on me. This baby doll style is more flattering on me, but you can see all the different colors this kind of shirt could match with. Having a fun sundress that is striped is very nautical looking. Throw on some tan sandals or some blush sandals or those studded sandals, and it can go from daytime to nighttime very easily. If you need a beach bag, I have one that I am watching for it to go on sale from Vera Bradley. It's got this palm print, and then I have one that I've already bought from Amazon that is the tie-dye colors, and I like it because it is really smooth against my skin. I like that in a beach bag or a pool bag. Okay, don't forget about elastic waist shorts now and skirts. And remember, all of those skirts go to my knee as a 5'8" woman. I have traveled with these shorts. I have about 7 pair of them, and I bought the same one this spring from Nordstrom Rack. It is the same exact length that I used 2 years ago. I have them in so many colors. The bright Caribbean colors are fun to me too, especially if you pair them with a solid t-shirt like my black one. White capris are another choice, and white is so hard to find. I'm just gonna let you find that on your own. It's like picking out a bathing suit. Some of them are see-through, some of them are just not right. Anyway, they can look very dressy like that with some dressy sandals and a solid t-shirt. Let me know if you are insecure about wearing shorts. My mother-in-law is very insecure about it, and I do understand that we as women struggle with different body parts our entire life. No matter how we look, my tummy is my problem area, or the part that I'm insecure about. So I try to minimize that area with tucking my shirt in halfway or a baby doll A-line type shirt. If your bottom pieces are the area that you want to focus on, narrow down and search for a bottom piece that is flattering, that you feel comfortable and confident in. And my tip is to take a picture of you trying on those outfit pieces. There are full leg shorts at J. Jill. I found some wide legged capris that are so cute in this gingham fabric. Just find out what looks good on you. And if you are gonna have a full bottom, I want you to have the top be a little more fitted to balance it out mathematically, if that makes sense. I have a stylist who will help you shop your closet, who does it with the clothes that are already in your closet. You don't have to go shop. And then I have another lady who I've used with Nordstrom, and she will help find pieces for your personality and your body type. But I get nothing from them. Those are just 2 ladies that I know from Instagram. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm Travel Tips by Laurie, in case you are on it. Denim shorts are some of my easiest go-to ideas. Oh man, my other ones are, I wore them last night to a Mexican restaurant. Anyway, there are some from Target. These button fly ones from Target, I'll look for them, but Target runs out of stuff all the time. And then these are from Kohl's. They're a couple of years old. I don't have a link for them. And I usually would not choose roll-up shorts for a vacation because I'm thinking they're gonna wrinkle or have to be ironed every time. And I've never ironed that hem at all. Another travel tip for your wardrobe is to cut off jeans. And what I learned is cut them off way longer than you think, because these are too short to wear out in public, because I cut them too short. After you wash them a few times, they're gonna wrinkle up or kind of cinch up to have that loose look that's fun for vacation, just throwing on something to walk on the beach with that morning or hangout time. Do not forget to pack clothes that you can hang out in, if that makes sense. A lot of you like to look for tunics because you think that covers up a certain body part, but it's also easy to wear with some slim fitting shorts that you found or some Bermuda shorts. A shell top is a fantastic vacation piece. We have a dress code as a standby passenger on our airline, and so this is a great way that I can look decent. A shell blouse is a great vacation piece because it can look dressy and it can look super casual. I've worn this with my cutoff denim shorts before as well. It's really cute. This is a navy one from 2021 from Ann Taylor Loft that I'll link for you. And then this one is an old one, but it's a shell top. The reason why I like shell blouses for a vacation outfit are they do not wrinkle and they can look dressy. Chico's has fabrics that can stand up to travel and activity, and they are modern for your age. I like the different pattern. It kind of modernizes this shirt. Notice that the sleeve pattern is different than the regular shirt. It just elevates a basic t-shirt so that it looks modern and maybe a little dressy. And when you throw it on with some denim shorts or some solid colored shorts or capris, you've got a pulled together vacation outfit, dressy or casual. And it can be worn more than one time. That's key. Another item for travel is just an easy purse. I pack mine in my personal item bag, and then when I get on the airplane, because you're only allowed the suitcase and the personal item bag, I pull out that purse and I'm ready to go. I like this style, and there are 12 different colors available because it can look dressy and casual, and it fits my sunglasses case and my reading glasses case and my other stuff. If you are traveling to a colder location, I have a video about what I packed and wore in Montana, which is really cold in the summer. So I will link that below in the description box for you. For vacation outfits, I want you to feel confident and comfortable at the same time. That way you are not worried about how you sit on vacation or look on vacation. You just can go straight to those. And if you spend a little time thinking about how you feel in an outfit piece, then your vacation is going to be less stressed because you stressed less. I really appreciate the time you spend on my channel. I've got some packing tips for how to pack in a carry-on bag for your vacation outfits. So be sure to check those out in the description box below. Say hey if we haven't met yet. Thank you again, and have fun making that list.